Softr is an AI platform to create business apps, so you can create custom internal tools or external portals. And right now we'll be building one app from scratch. So it starts with a prompt if you want to, and you can simply describe the app you want to build. So in my case, a tool to manage our company documents and have admins that can create, edit documents, and the rest of the employees can simply have a viewing access. So I go ahead, submit my prompt. It starts by asking a few questions to clarify my requirements. So for example, the way we will search through these documents, how will they be stored? In our case, it will be files directly, and some details about the approval workflow. So once we go ahead, we'll have a second round of questions to set up the authentication, because Softr will manage that for us. In our case, email login, and not everyone can sign up. Then we will pick a theme for our app. We'll go ahead with this one that looks pretty good. And from there, Softr's AI will actually build the app from scratch by starting from the database, because it all starts with your company data. So here we have a table for documents, one for collections of documents, and each record, each line here will be one element of this table. So it creates this no-code database so that it can then build an app on top of that. And we see that the pages are right now being added and configured, which will be the interface that our app users will be navigating to actually use this app. So we have data and interfaces, and we'll see later that we can also add workflows. So as it configures the different pages, we see that there are different blocks that are being used, and they're actually no-code blocks that are being organized and adjusted by the AI co-builder in Softr. So we could actually be doing that manually, and we'll see later how we could edit this app either manually or with the AI co-builder. And yeah, now our app is ready and we can try it live. So we'll be now previewing this app as a user. In this case, I am in the user group admin, so that's why I have the right to add a document or edit documents, etc. And we can see that we have already a modern looking app where we can navigate through our documents and collections of documents. So if we get back to the builder, I'll close the AI for now. We can start to open our database to see here the sample data that has been added, and we can very easily configure all these fields. For example, adding AI to this detection of the document types. I simply type in my prompt and I will reference the file, so the AI will be able to look into the file to determine what document type it is. And I can configure a bit the behavior of this database AI agent. Perfect. So from there, if we go back to the interface, this is where I can design my app and the different pages and blocks. So we can see that I can do it either manually like this, for example, changing the content of this list block. And if I go at the top left, I see that there are the different pages of this app. So opening the document detail page, for example, because we store PDFs, will actually show a different, offer a different way to open the files. And we see here that, yeah, this would enable to directly open or download that file. So from there, going back to the home page, what we could do is actually open the co-builder again. So it's not only for app creation, but also for edits. And yeah, let's ask for a new page that contains some charts breaking down the different information about the document types, etc. And we see that the AI co-builder is able to do whatever we could do manually. It is also able to do it. So we can always go back and forth between visual editing and AI doing that for us. Now, we saw that we could already set a theme in the beginning, and that's a way to customize our app, and we can just switch the theme afterward or manually decide, for example, which font to apply app-wide. So it's very easy to have a coherent theme for your business app. So now if we add a new tab to this tab container for a new feature that we want to develop, which is bulk upload, we first make it available only for admins as user groups. So that's a good way to look into the way Softr manages users. And we see that we can set up user groups based on certain conditions that we had in our database, which means that we can set up either a page or a blog to be only accessible for these users. I'm now adding an AI block, which is called vibe coding block, that connects natively to our data source, here the documents table. And here it's whenever there is no block that does what I want natively. So for example, a bulk document uploader, where after we drop a lot of files, we can then configure them so that they get all added to our database. Then we use this vibe coding block and simply describe what we want. And it's really at the frontier between vibe coding and no code, because if we go here in content, we see that there are some editable settings. For example, here, changing the image, but we can also prompt the block to add some more settings. We can also see the type of actions that it is able to do. So in this case, adding records. And if we test it, I'll be uploading a couple documents right here. For example, 3 PDFs. And we see that we have a very custom experience here to configure the import of these documents. So that's your way to go even beyond the typical blocks that you have in apps, for example, tables, charts, etc. Perfect. Our 3 files have been updated. And we can verify in the database we should have 3 new rows, and that's exactly what happened. Perfect. Now, if we go in the Workflows tab, this is where you'll create the logic of your app. So as a trigger, let's say whenever there is a new record in this database that was created for us for the documents, so whenever a new document is being uploaded, then we'll have a Slack action that will post a channel message, for example, in one of our company channels to notify us that a new document was uploaded. So with these workflows, you can really build the logic with those triggers and different actions. There is also AI as actions and a lot of integrations or API calls that enable you to connect your app to external services or make them even smarter. Now, quickly looking at the settings, there are a lot of ways to personalize your apps. For example, adding a custom domain or simply using one of the Softr domains for example, an internal app. You just hit publish and your app is live and ready to host your users. So from there, you can build full stack apps for your business, for example, to replace spreadsheets that didn't scale or to finally create that client portal that you need for your agency. All of that in a robust and secure environment where authentication, user permissions, connection to data sources, and hosting are all managed for you, which means that you can finally build those custom tools that you and your team need at work.